If your plank feels painful, shaky, or useless, and you still don't see a flatter core or stronger body, this video will fix that and help you finally feel what a plank is supposed to do. By the end of this, you'll know how to hold a plank so it actually strengthens your core instead of hurting your back or shoulders, and you'll understand why most people fail at planks even though they try hard. Most people think planks are about holding on as long as possible, but that mistake turns one of the best exercises into a waste of time or even a source of pain, and the fix is much simpler than you think. When people first try planks, the biggest problem is that the lower back drops toward the floor, which feels easier at first but quietly pushes stress into the spine instead of the core. And this usually happens because the abs are relaxed and the hips are just hanging there. The correct way feels almost shorter and tighter, where you gently squeeze your glutes, pull your belly in like you are zipping up tight jeans, and imagine your body as a straight, strong board from head to heels. And when you do this right, you'll feel the front of your core working immediately instead of your lower back aching. Another common mistake is pushing the shoulders up toward the ears, which makes the neck tense and the plank feel uncomfortable very fast, especially for beginners and seniors. Instead of shrugging, think about pressing the floor away with your forearms or hands, letting your shoulder blades gently spread while keeping the neck long and relaxed. And when this clicks, you'll feel your upper body become more stable, and breathing will feel easier. Many people also look forward or lift the head without noticing, which strains the neck and breaks full body alignment. The fix is simple and safe, where you keep your head in line with your spine and look straight down, as if a gentle string is pulling the back of your head long. And this small adjustment often makes the plank feel smoother and more controlled. Another mistake is holding the breath, especially when the plank starts to feel hard, and this causes tension and fatigue much faster than needed. Instead, breathe slowly through the nose if you can, letting the ribs move gently while the core stays firm. And this calm breathing helps you hold better form without panic or shaking. A lot of people also place their elbows or hands too far in front, which overloads the shoulders and reduces core engagement. A safer position is where the elbows or hands are roughly under the shoulders, creating a strong base. And when you find this spot, the plank suddenly feels more balanced and stable. There is also the mistake of pushing for long holds with bad form, thinking longer is always better. A short, clean plank with control is far more effective than a long, sloppy one, and even holding for a brief time with perfect tension can wake up the core better than minutes of strain. Some beginners rush into advanced planks before mastering the basics, which can lead to frustration or injury. Starting with a modified plank on knees or an elevated surface is not weakness, it is smart training, and it allows your core to grow stronger safely over time. When you do planks correctly, you should feel your abs, glutes, shoulders, and even legs working together, not pain in your lower back or neck. And that full body tension is what builds real strength and stability. If you fix these mistakes and focus on quality over ego, planks become one of the safest and most powerful exercises you can do at home or in the gym. Stay consistent, stop when form breaks, and let your body get stronger step by step. And if this helped you feel planks in the right way, try the workout again with these cues and consider subscribing for more clear, safe fitness guidance.